Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australian Oceanic Channel for Monday the 5th of November, and we have a look at the tropical scene. This is a Himawari 8 satellite view of the Solomon Island region. Biometeorology is keeping an eye on a weak 1009 millibar low just offshore from the eastern side of Bougainville Island. Now we have a look at the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide. There are three areas of interest, two in the South Indian Ocean. Invest 94, 93. Here's the Joy Typhoon Warning Center. Their position is medium on 94S, however 93S, there's no information from the center on that invest. Now we have a look at the satellite imagery for the Australian Southwest Pacific region. We have a 1009 millibar low to the east of the Bougainville Island, up there in the Solomon Island region. This is the Himawari 8 satellite view of Solomon Island. Islands. Now we have a look at the CMC model when viewing non-official weather sources. Caution needs to be applied. Now over the CMC, it's indicating a possible system to develop. That's right, the first track. The second track is the Navy's NAFGEM. So between the CMC NAFGEM, a similar position. Yeah, 50 millibar vorticity. The intensity scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and what I look for is anything above the yellow. The upper level divergence has been extremely strong, and you can clearly see it's anywhere from 10 to 50 knots. And look at the wind shear. The green's favourable, yellow neutral, and the high wind shear is unfavourable. And look at the wind shear in knots. The 24-hour shear tendency. The tropical systems love the area in blue through to the green. Now again, it's a Himawari 8 satellite view of the South Indian Ocean, and you can see the amount of activity over Indonesia, Christmas Island, Cocos Keeling Island. Biometeorology at this point in time doesn't have any information on what they reported yesterday about a weak low pressure system near the Cocos Keeling Islands. Now this is extracted from the Fiji Met Office, and they're indicating the 1007 low The Bureau has it at 1009. So we have Fiji, the Bureau of Meteorology on board, the CMC, the Navy's SHEM. Now we have a look at the SHEM model. It's precipitation including pressure. And the icon model. And a couple of them are indicating a possible tropical cyclone for the Vanuatu Solomon Islands region. And you can clearly see from the Navy's SHEM. Now, this is something that I haven't really looked into, and as we're day 5 of the tropical cyclone season, this information is across 3 weeks, and the moving scale shows intensity. I think it's the wind knots or wind speed in knots, and you can see the red and blue line. So tropical cyclone occurrence from the 4th of the 11th to the 10th. That's week 1, then week 2, week 3 to the end of November. So the tropical cyclone occurrence is followed by the tropical cyclone genesis, or probability. And this is for week 2, and you can definitely see how high those 2 lines go. And from the 18th to the 24th, you can note the area in the bright yellow. Now we have a look at the tropical cyclone genesis for week 1, 2 and 3. Bureau of Meteorology in Tasmania has a marine wind warning. Total accumulated precipitation, the pivotal weather website, the GFS model. The Bureau in Tasmania has cancelled their warning for the southwest coast, but they have a strong wind warning for tomorrow. And again, the scale is the bottom of the screen, and it's the area in yellow through the dark brown. There are no warnings for the state of New South Wales. And nothing for Victoria. Queensland too, it's in the clear. Now we have a look at the 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau. There's no warnings for the state of South Australia, although that picture could change after lunch. And they will have a strong wind warning in place for Tuesday. No warnings for the state, the Northern Territory. And over there in Western Australia, they have a strong wind warning for the Pilbara, Nigaloo, Gascoyne, Leeuwin, Albany, Esperance and Echuca Beach. Now this is the mouth of the Tweed River. This was recorded around 6 o'clock this morning, and you can clearly see from the screen that it was fog. The Bureau's total forecast of rain. And a fire weather warning is in place for the East Pilbara inland, the coastal region and South Interior fire weather districts. Top right hand side of the screen you can see the dark blue, the rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. Now we have a look at the latest instability outlook. That is from 10 AM through to the same period Tuesday. And you can see where the intense activity is going to be, the area in purple and the bright area within it. The supercell probabilities. It looks like the southeast corner of Queensland could also see some activity, storm probability. And there's a little bit of purple down there in South Australia around the Woomera testing site. And the East Gippsland region.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.